In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the dictionary in the NILI Resource Center. On the home page, at the top, click on Dictionary. Then, just under the title Browse Dictionary, click on Language and choose your language. Notice that at the top left of the page, when the page loads, it shows that each scheme has been selected. On the left, you may click on Sort By to choose whether to sort by the language or the translation. Notice that on the right, you can also limit your browsing by part of speech. As in other dictionaries, you can search for the word that you are looking for. You can search using either the word from the language or from the translation. Here I will search for hungry and click on Search. To go back to the Browse page, I can click on Reset. But notice that when you click on Reset, you will need to choose the language again. Another way to look for words is to look at all words that start with a certain letter. Here I will choose T. Then we can click on a word to open that word. Here, I will open K dish. On the word page, you will see the word with the translation and part of speech below it. There may also be sample sentences and images representing the word below that. Also, on the right, you may see related digital heritage items and audio to play the word. Sometimes there may be different dialects with different spelling or pronunciation, and those are available beneath the word as well. All of these resources can help make the learning experience more integrated and robust. To return and look for another word, click on Search Results at the top left. Thank you very much.